Hi! Hi! For today's video, I'm gonna show you that B1 is not... Today is October 13? October 10. Ay, kunin mo. Kunin mo. That's the normal body type of a Belgian Malinois. Because they run and then they... Actually, mataba talaga siya eh. This is my arm, oh. Yan, oh. He is not thin. He's not too thin. It's a normal body type for a Belgian Malinois. Mabilis siyang tumakbo. Papakita ko yung likod mo. Malapad yan actually. Iwan. Iwan. Iwan, sit. Bakit naman marunong ka na mag-sit? Hi! Hi, Mamu. This is Mamu. Hi, Mamu. Oh, malaki yan, no? Hindi naman siya too thin. Diba? Just a normal body. Somebody said that you're too thin, baby. You're not, right? You're just the cutest one. This one is Pungi. Means Pogi and Putol. Putol means cut because he has no tail. He has... Show me your tail. Show them your tail. Look. Wait. Pungi. 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 Sa'yo yung bunto niyan. Pungi. 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 Got a happy dog. Yan sila yan. They're so playful. Miwan! Miwan! Miwan, come here. Ah, diba? He loves to run eh. Ito ka lang. No. Mag-LOVE ulit tayo. L is for Lord. Aray! Mamo! 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 Miwan, no. Ay! Punggi! Mamo! Pretty boy. There, I just wanna show you that B1's body is just a normal body type. Ah, it's gonna rain. So we have a lot of gusto kong uulan. It's gonna rain, no? There. That is such a pretty sight. Hi! Tara na, let's go. Let's go, Mamu. Pungi. Look at the tail. Pungi. Let's go. Cute. Pogi. Pogi means handsome. Iwan. Kasi ito yung pagkain nila. Yan yung pagkain nila. Mamaya kumain na kayo. Mamaya na. Kumain na sila ng lunch eh. Hi. Oosh. No. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye, B1. Oosh. Bye, Mamu. And then here, you can see the birds. Chan. Focus. Ang ganda. Hi. Second ko. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, bye-bye. Bye, you're so cute. Hi. Mamu, mamu, mamu. Mamu, mamu, mamu. Mamu, mamu, mamu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.